have a little project I'm going to be doing here on my truck, a little bit of wiring. I wanted to make sure that I had really good connections of those wires, so I'm going to be soldering them today. I did not already have a soldering iron, so I ordered one. I'm going to share with you the way this kit looks. Well, here's the kit. Obviously, you're going to get your soldering iron here. This one just plugs right in. You have different temperature gauges right here. It does come with a desoldering pump. You have many different tips here that you can swap out for soldering. It does come with a small amount of solder here, but enough to get you started. These mini wire strippers here. Does come with a small wrench. Does come with some soldering wick. Little cleaning sponge here. A variety of different shrink tube wrapping here. Actually comes with a little bit of black and red wire. Little mini circuit board. And some little different tongs. You get about 15 different accessories here to work with. So this is really nice. And then the little stand here that you can easily put that down in there to keep the hot tip away from anything else. And you just put your little sponge right there so you can clean off the tip. And all that can be stored in this nice case here. Makes it easy for keeping it all clean and together. If you're considering getting a soldering iron, just something that you're going to use occasionally. Obviously, if you're going to be doing soldering a lot, you might want something a little bigger, but this will get the job done. And if you're only going to be using it occasionally, like me, then this thing is the perfect. So if you're looking for one, check this one out.